Good morning, everybody. Welcome to video lessons. This is Sudarshan Reddy, lecturer in physics, Kaudigiri College for Women, Ramagiri, Nalgonda district. Today, I am going to teach a lesson from laser chapter. Title of the lesson is Applications of Lasers. Lasers are used in various sectors because of their special characteristics when they are compared to ordinary light, such as directionality, monochromicity, coherence, high intensity or brightness, and non-divergence. These are the special characteristics of lasers. Because of these special characteristics, lasers are used in various fields for various purposes. In our present syllabus, 5 different fields where lasers are used is given. One is industrial sector, and second one is medical sector, and third one is communication systems and computer applications, and fourth one is in military field, military sector, and last one is other fields. Thus, there are 5 important applications of laser where do we use in different sectors are these. Now, I am going to show the information on the screen. Five important applications. First one is industrial applications, second one is medical applications, third one is communication systems and computer applications, and fourth one is military applications, and fifth one is other applications. Thus, there are 5 different sectors where we use lasers for different purposes. Now I am going to start with the first application, industrial applications. So, in industry, lasers are used for welding, cutting, shielding, and micromatching, and engraving, soldering, hardening, and surface treatment, etc. etc. So, to perform different works in industrial sector, Lasers are used for specially welding, cutting, soldering, hardening, shielding, and surface treatment, making engraving, drilling, etc. etc. So, particularly, I'm going to explain first use welding and cutting. Highly collimated laser beams with high intensity are used in industries to cut materials or for welding. Highly collimated laser beams with high energy or high intensity are used for welding or cutting purpose in industrial sector. And second one is automobile industry. How these lasers are used in automobile industry? That is second application. Gaseous lasers are used in automobile industry with high power for computer controlled welding. So particularly carbon dioxide gas laser is used for computer controlled welding in automobile industry. This is second application in industrial sector. Now third one, garment industry, cloth industry. So in industry, to cut a weaved cloth into large number of layers, more number of layers in short time with human power is delay process. It takes more time and the work may not be efficient. So to solve this, to make it easy to cut given cloth into more number of layers or pieces in efficient manner, lasers are used. So this is about in garment sector. Next, fourth one. So hard metals, glass, quartz, diamond, etc. To cut these materials, we may face more difficulty if we use laser in cutting. Lasers, we can cut whatever the desired shape and what we required in easy manner in less time. This is fourth application of laser in industrial sector. And fifth one, electronic industries. So in making ICs, lasers are used for trimming integrated circuits. ICs. What is IC? Integrated circuit. That means a large number of small circuits that are fabricated on single board, a small chip that is known as IC. So in trimming such components of IC integrated circuit, lasers are used. This is about a fifth application. So lasers are also used in one more purpose, that is in welding stainless steel handles for cooking parts. That means particularly CO2 laser, carbon dioxide laser is used for welding the stainless steel handles to the cooking vessels. These are the applications of lasers in industrial sector. There are 6 applications. One is for welding and cutting, and other one is second one automobile industry to operate a computer controlled welding, and third one garment industry to cut cloth into more number of layers in less time with efficient manner, and fourth one is about cutting hard materials such as glass, quartz, diamond, etc. And fifth one is these are used in trimming components of electrical circuits, ICs, means in electronic industries. And not only this, for this to attach or to weld stainless steel handles to the copper parts, copper cooking parts. These are the applications in industrial sector. Now one more application, one more sector or one more field in which we use lasers is medical applications. So here lasers are more useful in bloodless surgeries, when without a single drop of bleeding we can, means doctors can perform different operations about different inner parts of human body for the removal of tumors, for treatment of dental decay, curing skin diseases, and in eye operations, and detecting ulcers in stomach. That means in especially endoscopic technology, etc., etc. So there are 8 important applications about lasers. One is bloodless surgeries. For example, lasers are used in the removal of layers formed on human eye. This operation, this surgery is carried out by use of laser without bleeding, and it takes very less time to cure. And next one is endoscopic technique. This is used for detection of ulcers. So in this endoscopic technique, lasers are used in detecting ulcers in human stomach. This is about a second application. And third one is curing of skin cancers. So you may get we may affect with skin diseases due to the depletion of ozone layer or any other electromagnetic effect of electromagnetic radiation or due to any other cause. So to cure such skin diseases or skin cancer, laser beams are used. Laser beam with sufficient fixed intensity is used for destroying cancer cells, cancer causing cells. That is about a third application. And fourth one is, so it is a common disease nowadays, so that is formation of stones in kidneys. So more people are suffering with this disease. So we can perform by cutting layers of skin by open surgeries, but it takes more time to cure and it is painful, and there may be any other defect, so that directly from outside without opening layers of skin we can blast stones in human kidneys with the help of laser beams. This makes easy to destroying kidney stones. Next, cosmetic treatments. So for example, hair fall. Nowadays, most of us are facing hair fall problem because of pollution or high heat energy, and maybe due to genetic problems, etc. etc. To cure this hair fall, to remove hair fall, to reduce this hair fall, lasers are used. This is fifth application. Next, removal of tumors. So tumors means small bubbles. So these tumors are also removed by the incidence of a proper free intensity of laser beam. Next, treatment of dental decay. So because of any other problem, gelatin layer over human teeth may be damaged. So to cure or for the treatment of dental decay, lasers are used. And most important one is, so even in open surgeries, after completion, how to stitch the two layers of skin together with the help of threads or any other. So this operation means stitching up after surgery the layers of skin together. Lasers are used. Lasers are used for stitching up after surgery the layers of skin together. This is about eighth application. So there are 8 applications in medical sector. One is for bloodless surgeries and detection of ulcers and cure of skin cancers and destroying kidney stones and for cosmetic treatment, removal of tumors and for treatment of dental decay and stitching up after surgeries, the two layers of skin together. So these are the 8 applications about applications of laser in medical sector. Now third one is communication and computer applications. By using ordinary electromagnetic light signals, we can send information through short distances with more loss in intensity. To avoid this problem, if we use laser light instead of ordinary electromagnetic radiation or ordinary light signals, we can send the information through long distances with very less loss, low loss, and we can send more information. This is also application of lasers in communication systems and in computer systems. And one more thing is, lasers are used in data storage and data fetching in memory devices such as CDs, DVDs, memory cards, etc. etc. So we can store large data in less area for a long time with efficient manner with the help of these lasers. This is about applications. Second application of laser in communication and computer applications. And third application of lasers in computer applications is, lasers are not only used for data storage and data fetching in memory devices, these are also used for printing the data stored in DVDs and CDs. This is one more application. And next, fourth one is very important application. It is holography. Ordinary light is used for photography, to take photographs or to form images with the help of camera, that is two-dimensional, and image is left-right. That means left of the object appears as right and right of the object appeared as left in the image. So we call it as negative. So this is about photography in 2 dimensions with the help of ordinary light. If we use laser beam or laser light in making or in the production of image of an object, we will get a 3-dimensional image and we get the image as it is, same as the object. That means there is no left, right or up, down, any other thing. So we will get the same object, same image as object in 3 dimension. So we call it as positive or hologram. So the process of taking 3-dimensional photography of objects with the help of laser light is known as holography. This is one of the applications of laser light, and we can use lasers in one more sector, that is military sector. In military sector, these are specially used in the determination of distance of enemies or objects or missiles or any other things, and these are used in ring laser gyroscope. This is used for specially used for angle of rotation of very small objects, and one more application is, so with the help of lasers we can dispose the energy of a overhead by damaging the missiles. Can dispose the energy of warhead by damaging the missiles. So one more application is, fourth one is LIDAR, light detection and ranging. This is a special device, and it is used for remote sensing methods. This is about applications of laser in military sector, and other applications are general applications in scanning barcodes on objects to know price of the object. Next, these are used in fiber optic embedded sensors, and these are also used for measurement of distances in surveying and in ranging. So these are the three applications in other fields. So thus there are 5 different fields where we use lasers. One is industrial sector, and second one is medical sector, third one is communication and computer sector, and fourth one is military sector, and fifth one is other applications. This is end of today's class.